it's between coins and that, I'll pick mobile, right? Because I don't want to deal with coins personally. It's just my choice, right? I'll deal with that. It's less friction. Now, if I have, coins, mobile app, and a laundry card, well, laundry card might be less friction to me than a mobile application because it's easier, it's transferable, it's easier to deal with. I can more easily, in most cases, load it with cash. I can throw cash into a kiosk and load my card value up. I don't have to log into it anymore. I just have to keep track of the card. It's just more anonymous and fast, right? So I might like that. And I would probably tend to move over to that, even though in the strictest sense of the word, it's an older model. It does offer distinct advantages to a lot of operators. But if I could just pull my debit card or my credit card with my phone right there, and I don't have to talk to anybody, that's even better. I mean, when you go to the grocery store now, you're probably dealing with self-checkout, right? And
if I can,
some grocers have two lanes. They have the lanes that have the bigger kiosks that actually have cash acceptance, and then they have a whole lot that are just card only. And which ones do you gravitate to?
I mean, card only for sure.
Right. I'm going right through that line. And if I can't pay with my phone, if I can't use Apple Pay, and I'm not trying to, hype Apple, but if I can't use Apple Pay, then if it's easy for me to get to another business that's nearby that takes Apple Pay, I will usually go there because we've all been caught out. We forgot to grab our card holder and it has a little bit of cash or whatever. We have our phone. If I've been caught out once and I actually stopped going to that business because I wanted to use Apple Pay and they didn't have it. It's nothing against them, good people. It's just not convenient for me anymore.